Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk. My name is Hagen, and today we're going to talk maintenance. Behind me is the hollow core hall where we make our floor slabs, and there are probably 20 major pieces of equipment, maybe more, depending upon how you list them, that require regular, routine, highly technical expertise to maintain the equipment, to keep it in good operating condition. Concrete's a very abrasive material, and as you can imagine, that causes a lot of wear and tear on the equipment. So we're going to spend a little time, find out what our maintenance crew is up to and how they do their work. Let's go check it out. I'm here with Jamie and Hunter, maintenance. Hey guys. Jamie, how are you?
Good.
Hunter. So how many years now with Mid-States, Jamie?
Just turned 9 on St. Patrick's Day.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Hunter, how many years now with Mid-States?
I think total, all in all, it would be in between 7 and 8.
7 and 8 years. Okay.
Yep.
So you got almost 20 years of maintenance experience. Talk a little bit about some of the typical things you're working on inside the Elomatic or the hollow core extruded equipment.
This is a perfect time to do that. We've got machines at different stages of being torn apart right now, actually all lined up.
So we're looking at what here?
So these are actually brass bushings.
Okay.
That the big long screws that make the hollow part of the hollow core.
Yep.
That's what rides in these holes. But they ride in these brass bushings. That's the wear surface because it all has to move. So
Yep.
you have two metal surfaces that contact each other. There's going to be one that's a wear surface and one that rides on the other one.
So what's going to happen is there's another piece of equipment. There's a screw.
Yep.
And that screw turns.
Yep.
And so it's like male end goes in here, and
Correct.
and that's what's making
And
this.
there's chains that drive it around in a circle.
How often do you have to replace these guys? These are chains?
They're the chains that drive it. We
Okay.
replace those quite often.
Okay.
They do a lot of movement.
So this is the new chain,
Yep.
and then this is that drive shaft we were talking about that's
Correct.
on this end, and that brass bushing
Yep.
is inside there
Right inside here.
in this housing,
Yep.
and then this is another housing that's carried, but then right behind that is going to be the beginning of where that screw starts.
Correct. The screw is here. The concrete actually drops down into
you-
these
Mass guide.
mass guide.
And
Correct.
you can't see the screw right now because the mass guide's covering it.
Right.
I got you.
Yep. And that's what forms it. It gets
then-
all of its movement from back here. There's a bunch of arms that move this way. There's some movement this way. And then there's rotation this way. And there's also a bunch of side plates wiggling this way. There's a lot of motion that has to happen to form the concrete.
So
into the
sometimes in the morning, do you ever do yoga?
shape. No.
Yeah, so there's this
couldn't
thing called the dead bug pose, and it's like, you like one leg goes one way and the other arm goes the other way. That's sort of like we got like some
Exactly.
maintenance yoga going on here.
That's exactly what's happening.
Fouling tube, auger, and the mass guide is where the concrete, because the concrete falls
Right,
here and
right.
collects, and then that auger pushes the concrete past the fouling tube, which
Correct.
creates that void.
Exactly.
And that doesn't happen if we don't have these bushings just right.
Right.
The thigh bone connected to the knee bone, knee bone
Exactly.
connected to the shin
It's just a
bone.
different kind of animal, man.
I love it. The expertise you guys bring every day, it allows us to make the product and the quality product that we make.
Yeah.
We can't do that for our customers if you guys aren't paying attention to this.
That's
and
what we're
doing
shooting
you're
for
doing.
every day. That's our goal.
It's awesome. We're so grateful. All right, well, that's our maintenance episode for today. Jamie and Hunter did invite us back. I'm holding it, I think, a 32 millimeter wrench, big old wrench here. Lots of fun and maintenance. So cool to see Jamie and Hunter doing what they're doing. And be well. Thanks for tuning in, and peace be with you.